everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are paying tribute to that delicious camping favorite, the s'more. Graham crackers, chocolate, toasted marshmallow. Yum. For those of you that don't know, August 10th is National S'mores Day. Who knew? So, what I'm going to do today is my version of a s'more. I'm making a no-bake s'mores cake. The two major things that we need for our s'mores cake is a marshmallow meringue and a chocolate ganache. So let's start with the chocolate ganache. This is 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And we're gonna heat this until it comes to a simmer. You can see the little bubbles forming around the edge, and this is exactly where I want it. We're gonna take our heavy cream, pouring it over 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. I'm gonna let this sit here for about 3 or 4 minutes so it melts. I'm gonna just start stirring this. And sometimes people think, oh wow, this is not coming together, it's all broken. It may look like that, but you just have to keep stirring it. This will all come together into a delicious chocolate sauce. Did I lie to you? No. See how this all came together? Just a little bit more mixing. I still see some streaks, which is the cream, and we're just gonna mix all those little streaks out. And there you go, a beautiful chocolate ganache. Here I have a heat-proof bowl over a pot of water. I have about 2 inches of water in here, and I'm adding 6 egg yolks, 1.5 cups of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon cream of tartar. Whisk this together as it is heating up till all the sugar dissolves. And the sugar is pretty much dissolved. So now it's time to take this off the heat. So now I'm going to take our egg whites and our sugar mixture, and I'm going to pour these into the bowl of my stand mixer. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to beat the egg white mixture on high speed for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm looking for stiff, glossy peaks to form. Wow, look at that. That has come together so nicely. And I'm going to try a little bit. Yep, this is good. Tastes like marshmallow fluff, but even better than the kind that you get in the store. Now it's time for the assembly. That is the real fun part. Now what I have here is an 8x8 baking pan, and mine has a removable bottom so that it's easy to get cakes up and out. You don't need one of these, but I just happen to have one. So I'm going to put a piece of parchment inside the pan, and I have some of the parchment up over the side so it will be easy to pull out. I'm going to reserve about 1 cup of our marshmallow meringue because this is what is going to be on the top of the cake. I'm going to take some more of the marshmallow fluff, and I'm going to put a thin layer of it on the bottom. It's going to be a glue to hold the graham crackers in place. We're going to need between 30 and 36 graham crackers. Whole graham crackers. Whole graham crackers. Sorry. I can use these for the sides. So we're going to start layering with the graham crackers, and I'll use any broken ones to fill in the gaps. Now I'm taking the marshmallow fluff and I'm putting it on the graham crackers. Now this is messy. This is the one thing, you're always going to have to be washing your hands with this because it is very, very sticky. I'm going to take about a cup of this ganache, maybe 3/4 of a cup, and I'm going to pour it over the graham crackers and spread it out. Now that we have all of our layers assembled, we have to let this sit in the refrigerator for about 12 hours. So it could be an overnight kind of thing. So we're just gonna cover it with tin foil. And again, I will see you tomorrow as we finish off our no-bake s'mores cake. Well, welcome back everybody. I have everything I think that we need. S'mores cake, our marshmallow meringue for the top, this to spread it, and this little contraption, we're going to torch the top of it. All right, so let's see how we did. Now remember, this had a removable bottom, so I'm just going to push this up to the top. Here we go. Now I just need to release the sides from the parchment and see what happened. Let's see. So I took the parchment off and I transferred it to the metal bottom from this pan, which fits perfectly. So now let's take the remainder of this fluff and we're going to put it on the top and just kind of spread it out. I think this is looking really good so far. Let's cut into this and see what we got. Oh. Look at that. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Just layers, marshmallow fluff and the chocolate ganache. And now I want to try it. Oh my gosh. Now, it's cakey because the graham crackers softened up. They're not, I wouldn't say that they're mushy, but they've definitely softened up in between all the layers of the marshmallow fluff and the chocolate ganache. Well, happy National S'mores Day, everybody. This has really fit the bill for today, I can tell you that. And I can't wait until after dinner to finish this, if I can. It's really rich, but that's okay. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. This is a great cake to make for National S'mores Day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day.